Hello everyone. Today we will draw a running ostrich. Grab a paper and black marker and draw along. Begin by drawing 4 dots in a square pattern. Add 1 dot to the left and 1 dot below. Draw a horizontal line through the dots, then complete the body with a half circle and a curve. Extend the line to form the tail and add 3 bulges for feathers. To draw the legs, make a right angle through the dots. Draw straight lines for the legs and a curve for the foot. Repeat this process for the back leg, but draw it turned backward. Draw a circle for the head. An S-curve for the neck. And feathers on top. Draw the beak. Another S-curve to give the neck thickness. And feathers on his chest. Draw 3 feathers for the wing tips. Draw a circle for the eye. Color the head, body, and tail black. Draw the pupil. Color the beak and legs. And our drawing is finished. Congratulations! Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.